Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Sport 3-litre V6 Supercharged SE 4-wheel drive SUV with the remainder of its factory warranty. This Land Rover Range Rover Sport is luxurious, chic, athletic, capable, and with the added bonus of 4-wheel drive mobility. With an abundance of comfort, convenience, safety and high-tech features, this supercharged SUV stands alone in its segment when it comes to unrivaled all-terrain mobility and rugged utility, married to the softer British-style luxury that is fit for the Queen of England. The cabin of this supercharged SE trim is sleek and stylish, with the oversized 10.2-inch touchscreen display taking center stage. The materials quality is top-notch with supple leather upholstery and wood trim, and it has the capacity to seat 5 passengers comfortably. This model features Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera, front and rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring system with rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist, and the advanced tow assist, keyless ignition and entry, leather upholstery, 14-way power front seats with driver memory settings, an 8-speaker sound system and USB port. With adjustable height and low traction launch mode, the Range Rover has been designed to make your life easy. Adjustable terrain modes include grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts and sand. This one also has the Eco Data software to help you maximize fuel efficiency in addition to the auto stop-start feature. The exterior enjoys 19-inch alloy wheels, a self-leveling air suspension, power folding, heated mirrors and a hands-free power liftgate. Properly equipped, it can tow up to 7,716 pounds. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We encourage you to rush on over and put this Range Rover through its paces today. With its sophisticated 4-wheel drive system, blistering supercharged acceleration rocketing from 0 to 60 in only 4.6 seconds, plus its sporty and athletic handling, you will quickly discover all of the merits of this outstanding SUV. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.